Hello there, you're watching Dansky, and in this 2-minute tutorial we're going to learn how to change the colour of a subject's eyes all in Photoshop. So you can see I've opened up an image with some eyes on screen, and from the bottom of the layers panel I can click the adjustment icon and I can add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. And if I drag this slider at the top here, the hue slider, it changes the colour of the entire image, which isn't very good. But we can also see that we have a layer mask with our adjustment layer. And it's white at the moment, showing the changes that we've made. But if we go to Image, Adjustments and Invert, it will now become black and effectively hide that effect. And remember, with masks, anything black removes from the mask and anything that is white will add back in. So with white now as my foreground color and the brush tool selected, I can select one of Photoshop's soft, round, pressure opacity brushes and just gently brush in over the iris and do the same over here. And that nice soft brush helps blend the edges much more seamlessly, so it looks a lot more realistic. Now, of course, we've got some very green eyes, but because this is an adjustment layer, we can double click on that thumbnail. We get our hue and saturation slider back up, and we can now adjust the color of the eyes, and we can increase the saturation if we want something like this. But if we go to, let's say, blue, so we find blue on the hue slider, and we could just drop that saturation down. We get something that is much more realistic, and we can preview this on and off with the eye icon at the bottom, and you have the flexibility to change that whenever you like with the adjustment layer. And that is one of the quickest ways to change eye color in Photoshop.